So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel codesurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video we are going to have a look about cout and cin. So what I mean by cout is this simply cout and this is cin. So what these two functions does is simply this is a printf statement. You can check out the last playlist of C programming, and where you can find out like we were using printf statements and scanf statements to printf to print the output or print something on the console, and for cin or for scanf we were using to get the user input, and here we are using these two as the alternative. So this cout is the printf and cin is the scanf. So let's have a look how it works. So it's pretty easier than that. So if I want to just print something like hello world, I will be doing like hello world, and that's it. So this is all we have to do here, and this is the simple and basic structure, I would say, to do a cout. Just you have to write down cout with these two operators, that is two less than operators, I would say here, and you have to, in double inverted commas, you have to write whatever you want to print out with a semicolon, and it will directly print it for you. So let's have a look. See here we are getting hello world. That's great. Now let's see how does a cin work. So I'll write down hello, how old are you, and here this is the question, and cin will out. So cin, you have to use these greater than operators, and there is no need to use these double inverted commas, and simply you have to write down the variable where you want to store the answer. But first we'll need to declare it, so we are going to do it right now. So age, and we are putting the value in age, and now we'll print out. So cout with these two less than signs, and in this we'll write down I am, and again there will be this two sign here with the variable age. So I'm just trying to make it look a bit dynamic, that's all I'm doing for now. And again there will be two inverted commas, and I am 22 years old, and that's all we are gonna write down or print. So let's run the program and see. So how old are you? So I am a 50-year-old person. I could enter, and here I'm showing I am 50 years old. So that thing is working properly. Now what if you want to take the input for two things together? So I'm putting age and born year. So I will just say BY, because we don't want to make it too much complicated. So how old are you, and what year you were born? So you can simply just do it here with the same thing and write down BY. And I'm not writing down those things again, so simply I'm printing the year here, BY. Let's see if we are getting it right here. So let's run this program and see how old are you. So I'm 23 and I was born on 2000. Oh, let's see, 1000. And I'm 23 years old, and this is the 1000 that we printed here. So this is very simple, I would say. You just need to play around this stuff and you'll get to know it really better. So it is not that hard and fast you need to do. So this was all for this video. In next video we will try to look some of the arithmetic operators and what are commands. So till that time, take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.